Hello and welcome back to Meadow Bakery. In this video I am baking my favorite Madeleine recipe. These are ginger and lemon Madeleines. I adapt my usual Madeleine recipe which is on my website. The link is in the description below. So this is the mixture that I'm putting in the trays. Fill up my trays and then I am going to bake them. These only take about 10 to 12 minutes in a preheated oven. When they're baked, they're so easy to get out of the tray. You just turn it like that, and that's how easy they get out of the tray. Once in a while you get an odd one that sticks. What do you do if it sticks? I use a spatula. So get my spatula and then just loosen around the edges and it comes out easily. Before I actually bake them, I add some butter and flour so that they don't stick to the tray, but you always get the one odd one that might do. Okay, so I'm just leaving them to cool completely, and then now I have made my glacé icing, which is just icing sugar and water. You can also use lemon juice. I used lemon juice and water. And then you can dip the Madeleines in there. Let a lot of the glacé icing drip down, and then when it stops dripping, just put it on a greaseproof paper to set. Another option is to just use a spoon to drizzle on top of the Madeleines like this. Just to do it haphazardly, any design will do. And then when you've done that, you can add some sprinkles or leave it plain. I like to add sprinkles. And then put this to the side to let it set. Another option, if you don't like icing, you can just have them plain like this, or you can have a little bit of dusting of icing sugar on top. I'm going to break this one to show you what it looks like inside. It's nicely baked through and they taste amazing and they smell absolutely amazing. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.